Good morning, good afternoon, good night, and good evening. Welcome to Crypto Cracks, home for your everyday news, analysis, and research about crypto and anything else, whatever is going on in the crypto world. If you like money and you want to make some money within crypto, you are in the right place. So please go ahead and subscribe my channel. And if you know people who would like to know the same, please help them and ask them to do the same. Guys, today I just want to give you a full update or a quick update on what's going on in the market. As you have seen in the weekend, we had a parabolic move. We had Bitcoin nearly reaching, I think, double figures in percentage increase, and it's nearly 20% up on the weekly chart. It's just been an amazing weekend, and it's been playing exactly how I predicted on the 4-5 days ago before I made the video about my charts, and I told you exactly how I made two wedges within the graph. One was a steady wedge and one was a very inclined wedge, which was looking very abnormal at the time, but the market exactly came exactly within that wedge and shooted upwards, where it's going to catch up on my mega line, which when I'm gonna do my next video with the screen on the charts, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But let's go ahead with some key news right now within the crypto market. So guys, when I was saying about manipulation, and I'm not gonna sit here and say, hey guys, the market is going up, so there is no manipulation. Right now we are seeing a lot of manipulation in the market, and the beauty is that it's just working on positive, because the manipulation works on both sides, negatives and positive. And for the last 2 months, big whales and billionaires and governments, they've been manipulating the price down as much as they could. And I think we saw the limit of 28, 29 as a resistance of Bitcoin before it starts shooting up again. And that was probably the max they could pull it down before the bull run. And I have been telling you that this little bear market which we went through in the last 2 months was a little bear market within the bigger bull market. And I've been exactly telling you in every single video of mine from the last 2 months, even when we were going down, I was telling you to buy more Bitcoin. I bought myself a lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and a few other coins during this time. And now we are reaping profits. We are reaping profits, and we're going to continue to reap profits. I also said to you guys on the WhatsApp channel which I manage that we will see a correction in the next 1 day, and this is what I said yesterday, and today you can see Bitcoin price is going through correction. Why is it going through correction? Because the money which came into Bitcoin came during the weekend. You need to understand, during the weekend institutions are shut down, companies are shut down, the stock markets are shut down. So there is a lot of private investors who come in the game, and they bring in the retail investors as well, who are jumping with the hype. And then when that price always have to correct after the weekend, because with the money which came have some sort of hype value within that price value. So that hype value needs to come down at the level. And once it comes down, you will see another push, which is during the week, from the institutional investors, and they will invest when the correction have happened or when the dip has come through. So that's why we're going to see a little correction and then price shooting back up again. Same goes with Ethereum. I think Ethereum really, to be honest, has not had its pump yet, because first of all, it's the first in the queue is Bitcoin, and right now Bitcoin is pumping. Ethereum is also pumping, and other altcoins are pumping, but they are just pumping naturally in terms of retail value and retail investors. But every time Bitcoin, once it's gonna hit its all-time high, that's the time when we will see a huge pump in altcoins. So right now is a good time to stock up on all the altcoins. I've got the portfolio ready. I know which coins I've been telling you guys to buy, but just to now shout a few as well: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, I would also say Litecoin, Aave, Compound, Stellar Lumens, XRP. There's a few one which I'm missing. Elrond, guys, Elrond, please buy some ELROND. Buy Elrond, buy AMP, buy Algo. These are the coins you should be buying and putting it into your portfolio as and when. And also the most important, sorry, I forgot, Chainlink you have to buy. I'm soon doing a video which is the top coins you should be buying right now in order to unlock some good profits in 2022. It's going to be out there soon as well, which I've selected 5 coins to tell you which you can buy right now and save it till 2022. So that way you can have at least more profits next year as well, after you have reaped some profits within the bull market which you are in right now. Just to give you the manipulation side of things. So now the manipulation on the upwards. When Bitcoin was going so down, we had nearly £1 billion worth of money was liquidated from traders who were trading Bitcoin to go down. Now, I'm slightly happy that they lost that money because they were trying to put the price down by trading against it. But I do understand the hurt of losing money, for example. At the same time, anybody who is doing in the finance market, whatever, it's their own choice. If they are trying to make money, whatever way, as far as they do it within the fair zone, which is fine, and they spend their money wisely as well, that's a suggestion. But yeah, guys, nearly £1 billion worth of money was liquidated from traders who were trading and shorting the price of Bitcoin, and that's another one as well. That's why you see a parabolic move towards upwards. I have actually put in myself a trade long ago at nearly zero leverage on Bitcoin to go up. It's an open trade. I bought it, I think about $35,000. I jumped into that trade, and it's a long-term trade. I will come off from this trade within 1 year when I see when the price of Bitcoin hit all-time high, and I'm going to be making real good money just by having a zero leverage trade open. So I would suggest you all as well, open a zero leverage trade with very low liquidity point, leave it open, put some money, whatever is there, and leave it there. You will make more money during that trade than you would make in investing in Bitcoin right now. I would suggest as well, don't put your money into trades if you don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. I've self-taught myself, and I will start soon making more videos focused on trading so that you can also come on that journey with me. At the same time, so you can see nearly £1 billion finished within this little parabolic move. At the same time, we have Ethereum, which is yet to have its London update pretty soon. We also have we also have right now the Ethereum software update, which is going to come on the 4th of August. That's going to pump the price of Ethereum back up again. Cardano just got an NFT launched on Cardano's platform. So Cardano's looking very promising. It's one of the coins which is going to have huge moves in the future as well. And then we are right now seeing Amazon, guys, which is the hot news right now. Amazon is looking to invest into crypto. That's 100% guarantee. Now the question is when they're going to launch it, when they're going to start accepting it. Well, I've got some news for you guys here that Amazon will be launching and getting into crypto full on in Q3 of this year, which we are already in now. So you can say within the next 2 months, it's going to be a decider. When will Amazon announce it? Plus Tesla and SpaceX, I think they are soon to launch their Q3 earnings. So they will tell how much more Bitcoin or whether they are holding Bitcoin, which is happening as well next week. So all these positives are coming, which is going to push the price up. One more thing, which is we forgot, I already made a video about it a month ago, how Google is embracing Bitcoin. So Google is going to re-allow all the exchanges from, I think, 18th of August to start marketing and putting ads on Google Ads. So all these exchanges can now market on the internet so that they can get people into crypto. And that's going to be a huge news. That's going to be a huge impact in the advertisement of crypto as well. A lot of new people will come in, which means new money will come in, which will mean that when new money comes in, the price goes up. And one more fact I would like to leave you as well as a government news as well on the channel today is nearly 43% of Singaporeans are invested into crypto. That's a huge number. Nearly half the country have invested in crypto. Singapore, guys, is one of the most advanced countries in Asia. It's a trendsetter. It's a small country, but it sets a lot of trend. It's also one of the biggest financial market in Asia, just like London, just like Hong Kong, just like Singapore, just like Dubai, which are the financial capitals of the world, and New York again, Wall Street. But yes, guys, Singapore is the Asian financial leader. It's a financial giant, and if it's coming into crypto, it's an only beginning. That the pros are coming first and then the rest will follow. And you can imagine the size of the Asian market, and imagine when Singapore, this news comes out that 43% of Singaporeans are invested into crypto, how many other economies and how many the people will be coming in. So this is just, guys, you invested before the 43% of those Singaporeans because you invested at the right time. Even if you're invested right now for a few months, that means you have invested where you invested before Salvador. You can say that you have been in crypto before the countries start taking over, because before the big exchanges start taking over. So we are in the right place at the right time. We can only come out in profits. Don't sell your crypto if you're in loss. Hold it. You will be getting the chance soon to come out in profits, or if you want to keep holding it, you can keep holding it, or if you want to skim your profits out, you can do so. Thank you for watching my channel. Love you all. Like, subscribe, and share in your network, in your socials. Spread the love, and I will see you shortly with another update, another video. Thank you so much. Adios.